The 2019 BMW M4 Heritage Edition. As BMW prepares to give the current generation M4 its proper swan song, the German automaker is rolling out what is probably one of the last special edition models of the F82-generation M4. It's called the BMW M4 Heritage Edition, and while it's offered exclusively as a coupe, the M4 Convertible doesn't get any love. The Heritage Edition exudes all the qualities you'd want from a proper M4, right down to all the M-spec goodies included in the exterior and interior of the special edition M4. Only 750 units of the BMW M4 Heritage will be made. It's tabbed as a global model, so the US market is expected to receive a healthy share of the allocation. There's no word on how many will make it stateside, or how much each unit is going to cost, but we should expect more details on that front to arrive before production starts at the end of the year. If the M4 Heritage Edition ends up being the last special edition model that's based on the F82-generation M4 Coupe, then consider it a proper send-off. What makes the BMW M4 Heritage Edition special?
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.